Hi everyone, I'm Ashpak. In this video I'm going to show you Vivo Y19S remove the pin lock. If you forgot your pin lock, don't worry, I will explain step by step. I will explain, and don't skip the video, please watch and power off your phone and press the volume up and power and wait 1 second. After power off, press the volume up and power and wait 1 second and recovery mode is showing immediately. Select the recovery mode and wait 1 second. Remember one thing, if you try this method, your data is always delete. Photos, videos always delete. Be careful. Select clear data and clear all data. Okay. Your data is always clear. This unlock method no need to PC. So if you normally unlock this mobile, so okay, successfully your pet unlock is removed. Okay, return and back and restart your phone. Oh my goodness, nice, your phone is now successfully unlocked. Oh my goodness, your phone is totally formatted. Now your phone is brand new phone. Oh my goodness, nice. Skip the old step, and if you like my video, can you please subscribe my channel? Every day I upload a useful video for you. And if you can't watch my oldest video, can you please watch my oldest video? And I uploaded mobile review video and gadget review video and battery testing video and charging test video. I uploaded useful video only. Can you please trust me, and I will give my best for you. Thanks for watching my video. Can you please subscribe my channel? See you next video.